stop scrolling, because these smart gadgets are about to completely transform the way you live, work, and relax at home. We've selected the absolute best problem solvers that will make your daily routine effortless. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tech, and grab all the product links listed in the description down below. Let's jump right into product number 1. Tired of sitting all day without getting any movement in? The Putnen under-desk elliptical machine changes that completely. This compact, seated leg exerciser fits right under your desk or in front of your couch, letting you burn calories, improve circulation, and tone your legs while you work or watch TV. It features 12 adjustable speed levels and 3 automatic modes, allowing you to pedal forward or backward with 0 assembly required. Thanks to its ultra-quiet motor, you can stay active without distracting coworkers or family. Control everything effortlessly with the included remote control. Grab yours right now for just $84.99. But hold on, if you think staying active at home is effortless, wait until you see how this next gadget elevates your daily comfort to a whole new level. Stepping out of a warm shower into a cold towel instantly ruins the experience. The Keenray Luxury Towel Warmer Bucket fixes that by bringing high-end spa comfort right into your bathroom. Featuring a generous 21-liter capacity, it easily fits 2 large bath towels, bathrobes, or throw blankets. It starts heating in just 1 minute and hits peak warmth in 6, keeping your items continuously warm with an automatic shut-off feature for complete safety. Compact, stylish, and effortless to operate. Upgrade your daily routine today for just $89.99. And while keeping your bath routine cozy feels amazing, we are just getting started. Up next, we have another mind-blowing gadget designed to transform your space even further. Struggling with a messy kitchen counter every time you prep a meal? The KRAUS Core 32-inch workstation sink completely changes how you cook and clean. Crafted from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, this ultra-durable single-bowl sink features an integrated ledge that transforms your basin into a full prep station. Slide the included bamboo cutting board over the sink to chop veggies, or use the heavy-duty roll-up drying rack to dry dishes directly over the basin without wasting valuable counter space. Its undermount design allows you to wipe crumbs straight into the sink effortlessly, while sound-dampening technology keeps noise to a minimum. Upgrade your kitchen setup right now for just $374.95. Sore, tired feet after a long day can completely ruin your evening. The CuPiLo upgraded foot massager delivers instant professional-grade relief right from the comfort of your couch. Designed specifically to soothe conditions like plantar fasciitis, this machine features 3 deep kneading stages, 5 levels of air compression, and targeted vibration settings. The built-in NTC temperature control provides safe, soothing heat to boost blood circulation and relax stiff muscles. It even comes with a wireless remote control so you can adjust settings without bending over. Treat your feet to daily relaxation. Grab yours on a lightning deal right now for just $76.97. Struggling to sleep with a noisy, ineffective fan blowing hot air around your room? The DREO Smart Pedestal fan completely changes how you cool your space. Featuring 120-degree horizontal and 105-degree vertical omnidirectional oscillation, it pushes air up to 100 feet to circulate breeze into every corner. It operates at an ultra-quiet 20 decibels, making it whisper silent for peaceful sleep. With 8 speed settings, 6 custom modes, and an adjustable height from 37 to 43 inches, you get total control right at your fingertips. Plus, it connects to Wi-Fi so you can easily operate it using your smartphone or Alexa voice control. Upgrade your home comfort today for just $125.92. Worrying about slipping or struggling to turn around in the shower can make bathing stressful. The KingPavonini 360-degree swivel shower chair brings safety, comfort, and total independence back to your daily routine. Featuring a smooth 360-degree rotating seat with 90-degree lock positions, it allows you to turn effortlessly without risking your balance. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum frame supporting up to 550 pounds, it offers maximum stability with non-slip rubber feet that grip wet tiles securely. The ergonomic M-shaped seat, padded armrests, and completely tool-free assembly make setting it up and using it a breeze. Make your shower safer today for just $69.99. Dealing with a foggy bathroom mirror and dim lighting every morning is a major hassle. The LOAAO LED Bathroom mirror completely upgrades your vanity experience. Featuring dual lighting sources, both backlit and front lit, it gives you bright, even illumination that's perfect for makeup, shaving, and skincare. You can easily adjust the brightness and switch between 3 color temperatures, while smart memory settings automatically save your favorite setup. Best of all, the built-in anti-fog feature clears moisture with a single touch, so you never have to wipe down the glass after a hot shower. Crafted from shatterproof tempered glass, it's currently on sale for just $78.74. Bending over and scrubbing dirty tile floors on your hands and knees is a painful chore of the past. The AIRU Plus 3-in-1 floor scrub brush makes deep cleaning effortless while keeping you standing comfortably. Featuring a heavy-duty dual-sided bristlehead combined with a built-in rubber squeegee, it tackles stubborn grime, dirty water, and soap scum all at once. The 360-degree rotating head easily glides under furniture and into tight corners, while the extendable stainless steel handle adjusts from 30 to 50 inches to save your back from straining. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor patios. Grab yours today for just $24.99. Dragging out a bulky desktop blender just to puree a quick soup or sauce creates unnecessary kitchen cleanup. The Vitamix 5-speed Immersion blender brings commercial-grade blending power straight into your pot, bowl, or glass. Powered by a high-torque 625-watt motor, it powers through tough ingredients, frozen fruit, and hot soups in seconds. Its premium 4-pronged stainless steel blade features a specially designed bell guard to protect your expensive cookware from scratches while improving flow. With 5 variable speed settings and an intuitive one-handed grip, you get full control over your recipes without the mess. Level up your meal prep right now for $169.95. Dry air causing sinus discomfort, dry skin, or restless nights? The DREO 8-liter smart humidifier is designed to keep your indoor air perfectly balanced year-round. Featuring both warm and cool mist options, it covers spaces up to 600 square feet with an impressive 80-hour continuous runtime. Its high-output misting system rapidly balances room humidity while operating at a whisper-quiet 28 decibels. You also get precise smart humidity tracking, customizable ambient RGB lighting, and seamless app and Alexa voice control so you can adjust settings from anywhere. Perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or plant lovers. Grab yours on sale right now for just $99.97. Scrubbing away stubborn bathroom grime and tile grout by hand takes endless effort and time. The TUYU electric spin scrubber powers through tough messes automatically so you don't have to break a sweat. Featuring a powerful internal motor spinning up to 450 revolutions per minute, it cuts your cleaning time from an hour down to just minutes. It comes with 8 replaceable brush heads tailored for tubs, tile, glass, kitchen counters, and even car surfaces. Rated IPX7 waterproof, it's completely safe to use in wet environments, while the built-in LCD display keeps track of battery life. With an extendable handle and 90 minutes of cordless runtime, deep cleaning your home has never been easier. Grab yours right now for just $42.99. Finding time for a high-energy workout at home usually means dealing with clunky, noisy equipment. The MERACH magnetic stationary exercise bike makes indoor cycling smooth, quiet, and completely engaging. Equipped with an advanced magnetic friction system and brake pad setup, it operates with ultra-low noise so you can work out anytime without disturbing the house. Built with a heavy-duty frame supporting up to 300 pounds, it features an integrated tablet mount and connects directly to the exclusive MERACH app for interactive fitness courses to track your weight loss goals. You can easily adjust the resistance and seat position to match your ideal workout intensity. Elevate your home gym today on a limited-time deal for just $239.99. Fumbling for your keys at the front door or worrying if you remembered to lock up is a pain of the past. The Yamiry Smart Door Handle Lock upgrades your home security with effortless keyless entry. It offers 6-in-1 unlocking options, including rapid fingerprint recognition, a digital keypad, key fobs, physical keys, and full control via the mobile app. You can easily generate temporary passcodes for guests, check access logs remotely, or set up auto-lock mode so your door secures itself every single time. Designed for easy DIY installation in under 10 minutes, it fits standard wooden doors without extra drilling. Upgrade your home security today, on sale for just $69.99. Tangled charging cords cluttering up your car's center console is an annoying daily mess. The LISEN 4-in-1 retractable car charger eliminates cord clutter entirely while keeping all your devices powered on the road. Delivering up to 69 watts of fast charging power, it features 2 retractable USB-C cables that extend up to 31.5 inches and pull back smoothly when you're finished. Plus, with additional USB ports built into the plug, you can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, including iPhones, Android phones, and tablets. Its compact design fits flush into your vehicle's 12-volt socket without blocking surrounding controls. Grab this must-have car accessory right now for just $29.99. Constantly losing focus or getting overwhelmed by your daily to-do list? The printers. Jack Pomodoro Productivity. Cube Timer is designed to boost your focus and master time management effortlessly. Featuring 6 preset countdown sides, 3, 5, 10, 25, 30, and 60 minutes, you'd simply flip the cube to start your session instantly. It includes a dedicated Pomodoro mode with built-in work and break intervals, plus full support for custom countdowns. Designed for quiet libraries, offices, or home study spaces, it offers mute, vibration, and adjustable sound alerts so you won't disrupt anyone around you. Perfect for studying, work projects, or staying on task. Grab yours on sale right now for just $24.99. Drying your car with towels or dragging out heavy, corded leaf blowers to clean your yard is a tiring daily hassle. The Wolfbox MF400 cordless blower delivers massive jet airflow performance in an ultra-lightweight, handheld design. Powered by a high-performance 455-watt brushless motor, it blasts high-velocity air at 72 meters per second, perfect for touchless car drying, blowing sawdust out of the garage, or clearing patio debris. It features 3 speed modes, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime on Eco mode, and comes complete with a hard case and specialized attachments for precision detailing. Upgrade your cleaning gear right now on a limited-time deal for just $125.99. Which of these awesome gadgets are you adding to your cart today? Don't forget to check the links in the description below to lock in these limited-time deals and hit subscribe for more amazing gadgets.